In the recent years, there has been a significant shift in the way people buy and use technology. Price points on products and solutions that once commanded a premium are slowly eroding due to the relentless tide of innovation and spread of customer choice. Customers no longer care what the product or solution is, but rather what it does. In addition, end user demands and expectations are also changing. This presents a significant challenge for IT departments. After all, the change of pace of technology is growing faster than ever before, making it increasingly difficult for organizations to stay up to date on cutting-edge technologies. Because of this, we're seeing a major shift from product-led to service-led selling. But what does services-led really mean? Services-led is an approach on the marketplace and sales process leading with a service offering rather than a product at the forefront of the conversation. In a services-led approach, deals are centered around managed services or outsourcing involved technology. The deal will typically contain a multi-year service agreement with an ROI that must be met. Risk and liability mitigation is also a key element of the services-led sale, as a customer will almost always pay a premium when a service is offered that alleviates a pain point or risk. According to the Channel Company, large MSPs are beginning to have 2/3 of their revenue model coming from services-led because they double profitability compared to a traditional resale model. In addition to driving higher gross margin, services-led also increases stickiness with the customer. Learn more today. Contact us at data-center@ingrammicro.com.